So I finally got my hands on the Marshall Acton III. I've been wanting to try this speaker for a while and today I'm finally opening it up. I'm not doing a sound test in this video. I just want to give you a quick first look and show you what you actually get. And here it is, the Marshall Acton III. My first impression, honestly, it looks really good. The design is probably the first thing you're going to notice. You got that classic Marshall look, the fabric grill, the Marshall logo, and those little brass color details. It doesn't look like a typical modern Bluetooth speaker. It has that old school amplifier style, and that's exactly what I like about it. It's also a pretty solid speaker. It's not something I would call portable. This is more of a speaker you put in your room, on your desk, or on a shelf, and just leave it there. And then you got these physical controls on top: volumes, bass, treble, and your playback controls. I really like this. A lot of modern speakers are controlled almost entirely through an app. Here you can just reach over and turn a knob. Simple, and it looks really good too. The size is also pretty nice. It's big enough to feel like a proper home speaker, but it doesn't completely take over the desk. And that's basically my first impression of the Acton 3. It looks great, it feels solid, and it has a lot more personality than your average Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to spend some time with it before I give you my full opinion. So this isn't my final review, it's just my first look. If you want to see what I think about the sound after I use it for a while, let me know. But for now, I'm really happy with how these things look. And that's the Marshall Acton 3. I'll see you in the next one.